Hello, Justin. Thank you for taking some time to view this video. I'm Travis Miller, Last Dragon Digital Marketing. So the point of this video is twofold. One, to give you some tips and tricks you could use to increase your online traffic, your revenue, your leads, and your business by using your website. So I'm going to focus, I know you have some presence here in Kansas City, Kansas, and Missouri, but I'm going to focus even on Lawrence to increase the business more. And to compare your website to a local competitor website in that area, Lawrence, Kansas. So you could outrank them, get you on the first page of Google when it comes to some services in Lawrence, Kansas, and that'll increase your online traffic and leads. So I'll talk about three things: content, backlinks, and citations. So I'll show you this opportunity for taking those steps for your business, for yourself. So with content, you need anywhere between 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage. That's just depending on the competition, number of keywords needed. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So in your content, you can place keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what you want your website to be found for. As you see here, this is a nice laid out website. I can't add much to the website. I love all your services here. Got your accolades here, what you value. Personal team here. So very nice laid out website. And you got even strong on the back end of the website. You got some strong things going on. But I can show you how to just keep expanding in the whole, not only KC metro area, but also Lawrence, Kansas as well, since that's on your website. So speaking of Google, here, if I was living in Lawrence, Kansas, I might type this in: AC repair, Lawrence, Kansas, and this what typically pops up. A lot of times ads pop up here. If you haven't invested in them, you can. They're hit or miss. That data shows that consumers usually skips over ads, and they go either to the map pack here with the citations. I'll talk more about that in a minute. And we call these organics. So here's the goal: to organically be on the first page of Google for any kind of service you do or area you provide for. So your top competitor in Lawrence, Kansas with AC repair is this Cloud HVAC. So I'll compare your website to his and see if those tips and tricks could outrank them, be right up top here on the Google search with Lawrence, Kansas. As you scroll down, you see your website's not on there, but you can very easily do some things. You already have a dominating website. There's no reason why you can't start dominating this area of Kansas and Lawrence with all the services that you do. So to do that comparison, there's a tool here called Ahrefs, and here's your URL right here. And here's your numbers. So as I said, strong website. You have over 4,000 keywords. So you could keep on increasing your keywords. You want to have high volume, the better here. That's more bang for your buck. You get very creative in your keywords. Think about all the services that you guys provide: residential to commercial to AC to plumbing to HVAC, and you could tag every city that you go to. I mean, you could even increase your keywords more and start even dominating more of the market in the whole Kansas and Missouri side as well. So you can always increase your keywords, and then compare that to a local competitor. Here's Cloud. See, their website has nothing on your website. You have a much more stronger website, even on the back end as well. But then being in Lawrence, they're a little bit more intentional on just what their keywords are. So even though you're dominating them in keywords, they only have 303 keywords. Great thing about keywords, you could do a deep dive in a website, and anything that applies to you, like maybe this is not on your website. Maybe HVAC Lawrence, Kansas is not on your website. You could add that to your website very easy, give you that volume, give you that searchability, and start outranking your competitors in the whole Lawrence, Kansas area. Now here's another one. You can drop the Cloud or even heating and cooling Lawrence, Kansas. So you can get very creative, AC Lawrence. Get very creative in your keywords to just start dominating your competitors in all markets and all areas. Second is backlinks. And a backlink is anywhere where one website is linked to your website. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses that to build trust in your business by seeing others vouch for you. So it's also like a popularity contest. Person with the most backlinks wins. But keeping in mind, not all backlinks are created equal. It's important to have other strong, relevant backlinks to your industry, other HVAC services, plumbing service websites, electrical websites linking back to you. It doesn't do you any good if a website outside your industry is linking to you. It doesn't give you that trustability with Google. Again, got good numbers here. You have over 1,000 backlinks with 549 reference domains, so keep that up. Again, you can increase your backlinks as well to start dominating your competitors. But just comparing that to a local competitor in that Lawrence, again, you're dominating here. He only has 382 backlinks. But again, it's about being intentional. So you take the backlinks that are strong, relevant to Lawrence. It's the same thing with the reference domains. Add it to yours, and also add on top of that to start really dominating them to get on that first page of Google at the very top. Then finally, there's citations. So a citation is anywhere where your business name, your number, and your address are shown exactly on your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important for local businesses since this can generate huge amounts of revenue. So right now you might not have a Lawrence address, but you could add a Google business for Lawrence, increase your searchability. And again, the goal is you want to be in this top 3. Sometimes there's 4 here, but you want to be in this top 3. So cloud is dominating up here and here as well. So to do that, you include citation directories with Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, many more you probably heard of. Also, social media accounts work great too. So the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. And the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. So once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is you outrank above them. So again, the goal is to be in the top 3 or 4 in any area you serve. For instance, also, like I know you have a lenexa address. Let's just make sure you're in that map pack for lenexa. Again, you're not in the top 3 or 4 for lenexa, so you want to increase your Google business to be in that area as well since you reside there. So once your content, your backlinks, your citations, once they all come together, you start to outgrow your competitors. And here's what you might be looking at, why that's worth it, to be in the top here and here organically. So not sure what your margins are, but I imagine that would generate some pretty decent revenue. Also, there's many more leads you could do, many more keywords you could increase your more traffic and leads. So if you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out. I could help you out with that, give you some more information, or we could even talk about goals. I could do the research to help you find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. So again, I created this video for you to start generating those leads online yourself. But either way, if you leave me a few lines of feedback on this actual video, that'll help me get better at making these. Again, I'm Travis Miller with Last Dragon Digital Marketing. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your business. Hopefully this was informative. Much luck in your business. Have a great day.